Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Fix Rebuild BCD bootrec / rebuild is not working, C:\boot path not found. Click Advanced option. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced options. Click Command Prompt. Type password. Click Continue. Type disk part. Type select disk 0. Type list partition. Find your Windows partition. My Windows partition is 4. Type select partition 4. Type active. Type exit, exit from disk part. Type put C:\Windows. Boot file successfully created. Type exit. Click Continue to run Windows 10. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.